Yeah, so the biggest challenge we have as an organization is finding good talent, retaining good talent. So you're in a good spot because you're positioning yourselves to help us fill those roles. We have a program called the Talent Program. I'm happy to say 20 years ago I was a member of that, where we go out to universities and trade schools and try to find top talent to bring into the organization. So it's our career opportunity management, employment training, and we bring you into the organization to be a leader. So you get specialized training. We're a Cleveland-based headquartered company. So you come to Cleveland and you work within certain manufacturing facilities. You work within our corporate office, learning basically everything about the organization. You learn from the finance side, the leadership side, the communication side. But then the job shadowing piece is very important. So you can learn a lot in the classroom, but until you get the chance to apply it and see how it works, it doesn't really settle in. Most people are visual learners and then get the chance to see how it actually works in the real world. So for us, we want to make sure that you get the opportunity to get out and see the things you're learning, how it's applied in the real world, how you can make an impact, and how you can drive savings. The people that you will be working with within our organization expect a return. So if they're going to be working with you, they want to see what are you going to do to make their job easier, what are you going to do to drive value and save them money, how can you increase their uptime, make their jobs more enjoyable so they don't have all the issues they have. So those are some of the challenges that you face and that you have to be made aware of. But apprenticeship programs are good, and anytime I think as a student or as you're going in your job career, when you can learn from other people, observing other leadership positions and observing people doing the job the right way, that's one of the best learning tools you can have. So I know sometimes it's a challenge when you're following somebody around or doing a job shadow, but when you truly see how they do it well, you can learn a tremendous amount there. So I would give that advice right there.
Great, solid advice.